everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are at Pop Century, and we'll give you a quick room tour here, so let's get on in and take a look at it. Alright, we're in room 8119. We're going to get the door open and go ahead and give you a view from the door right here as we step in the room. First thing you see is a nice big TV there. To the left of it, you will see your coffee stand and kind of place to put stuff. You have your ice bucket right there. You have your cups. You have your coffee stand. You have different flavors of coffee there. Let's see, that's just a resort blend, some decaf. Let's see what this is. That is more just a resort blend. And of course you have your your stuff that goes with it, your sweet and low, your creamer, whatever you need. And of course they have a little Cuisinart cup coffee makers right there. I'm kind of disappointed because I can't make my cold brew that I like to make with a full pot. Right here is a thermostat. They do have the digital thermostats to get that down. That one goes all the way to 62 right there. So that's going to be good come later on this evening when we get back in from the parks. If you go down here, you'll see we have I would call it a cooler more so than a fridge. It's not real deep, but I do like the glass door so you can kind of see what you have in there. That's always a nice touch to have. And let's see what else we have here. As we make our way along the TV, you'll notice you have a lot of space right here again to put stuff. You have plenty of charging ports, basic plain USB cables there, as well as two regular outlets. You also have the same thing right there on this side of it. As far as storage goes, you have 3 drawers here. I'm not going to open up all of them, but they're nice and wide and deep, so you have plenty of storage there. And then underneath, right here, you have more storage. You have I like these a lot better. You have the safe right there, but I like that one because it's one that lays down. It's tucked out of the way versus one of the vertical ones in the closet. Just a lot easier to store stuff there. And of course, you have an extra pillow down there as well. Turning around here, you'll see right off the bat that this does have a Murphy bed. These rooms were updated a few years back, and so you have a nice little table right there with a couple chairs if you leave the Murphy bed up. We are actually staying with our son-in-law and daughter on this trip, so we're gonna have 4 people plus the grandchild in the room, and we're gonna pull this down. Go ahead and get it down. You see it's easy enough to do with one hand. Let it down nice and easy. And there is Pluto on the headboard. You see they have lights that come on here so that you can see. Also right next to it, kind of the nightstand, you can see you have the more chargers, USB ports, and regular outlets there. They have plenty of pillows on the regular bed over here, so you can just use those for the Murphy bed. Right here you have a phone. The other thing I like about these rooms as far as the outlets and such is also have these little cubbies down here as well, and space to store on the floor. Real quickly, also I'm going to show you underneath this bed. It's a queen size bed, but if you look, that'll give you plenty of room to store your luggage up underneath it, really under both beds, especially if you're going to leave the other one down. On the other side of this bed, you have another one of those little nightstands here with a little cubby hole, plenty of outlets and things to charge your electronic devices and such. So that's kind of an overlook of the room. You have the more little vintage, kind of 1980s, 1990s Mickey there over that headboard. And so again, this is just kind of a quick overview of the room from the bathroom. This is a room that does connect to another one if you are able to or need to do that for some reason. If you are traveling with somebody and you have the ability to get that. Moving on into the bathroom. Hello everybody. Right here you'll see you have the closet. There's plenty of hangers there. You also have storage down there at the bottom if you need maybe a place to put your shoes, get them out of the way. Just to the left of that, you have a little extra space here as well. You have your ironing board right there. More storage underneath, and then you have kind of this wall of space to put stuff there, and you also have your hair dryer as well as your iron. Moving over right here, you have your sink. Still have H2O products here. There's facial soap there, and then you have more space to store things up under there. Now, moving along to the bathroom. This door just slides open. It's a pocket door. The bathroom's done nice. It's nothing extravagant, but it is nice and clean. But you have your toilet here, sliding glass doors. You do have your string right over there if you're going to pull that out to maybe hang swimsuits or something like that. You have 2 shower heads, and then of course you have your H2O conditioner, shampoo, and body soap. Plenty of towels hanging as well. And then if you're going to have 4 people or like we are in a room and you need that privacy, this will also shut so that you are have your private space in the bathroom. So we're going to go ahead and open that back up for now. I think Therese is ready to come on in and we're going to start unloading stuff. We haven't done that yet. We just got here. So just one more quick look around. So yeah, I think we're going to enjoy it. It's not going to be a long stay, but it's going to serve our purpose. So all right, so that's going to about do it for this room tour. It was short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let us know. If it was informational or you got any questions, certainly reach out and we'll be more than happy to answer those for you. If you've watched some of our videos before and you like what we do, please take time to like the videos and also consider subscribing. It would help the channel out greatly, and it would mean the world to us as we try to grow our small YouTube channel. So thank you very much, and y'all have a great day.